So our working relationship with this particular automotive group has been over 10 years, and their first call was FSG. So FSG, being a full electrical contractor and a distributor as well, enables us to leverage our buying power for equipment. Lots of expertise on the different levels of charging and the installation of the equipment has enabled us to further our relationship with this particular group, not only in installation, but the mass purchase of all equipment. We have warehouses in California, we have warehouses in Texas, and here in Arizona. Each particular region has been audited, and a particular amount of equipment is allotted to each location, and that is being shipped and stored in each warehouse. The benefit of storing the EV chargers at the local warehouse saves this particular automotive group from having them drop ship to their dealership and then us trying to locate them when we're there. So now it's easy. The technicians load up the chargers, they're at the shop, we know where they're going, they get installed, and we keep total track of the whole installation. How we allot the equipment is based on their manufacturer needs. So each particular dealership may need a level 2 or a level 3 to meet their demands to get their cars shipped. So if we have 50 of the level 2s, we kind of piece those together where they're needed right away, and then the others fall into place. When this group approached us, they were like, hey, if we give you the OEMs, can you follow off of that? So we made that a priority, and that's the first areas of interest that we hit. The ones that the OEMs are gonna hold up their cars that need to get installed right away, and then we move on to the manager's wish list of like, hey, let's put a couple in the guest parking, let's put some in the service bays, but to meet their requirements is what we focus on. It starts with an initial audit of each location, each state. We drafted an audit sheet that encompasses the separate dealerships, and then we fine detail that with how many pieces of equipment are going in. Then we do some audits on the infrastructure of the electrical, data logging on the equipment, on the panels, amp readings. It enables us to put a full package together saying, hey, yeah, you can put 20 of these in here, or you can put 10 of these in here. We're gonna have to upgrade these panels. And that's the nice thing is, so if we need to do the upgrade, we're already there, right? We're fully electrical. We put in the panels, the transformers, whatever it takes to upgrade the service, and we move on from there. We knew that they were going to need equipment right away. They weren't going to get vehicles released to them without chargers, and we knew we needed to get in line and get these orders placed. And that was the push on the main portion of the contract. Let's get everything purchased, let's get it located on site, and then we'll worry about the installation. With FSG's vast knowledge of EV infrastructure and charging equipment right now, it only makes sense to come to FSG. We know the manufacturer reps, we've got the purchasing power, and EV charging is huge. I mean, it's the way everybody's going, whether it's the infrastructure, providing the equipment and the install. So FSG will be ready.